Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the exciting world of affiliate marketing and how you can make money online through various affiliate programs. Have you ever wished you could earn money for sharing your favorite products? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting and selling a merchant's products or services. Affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both the merchant and the affiliate. The merchant gets more exposure for their products/services, while the affiliate earns a commission for each sale made through their unique affiliate link. Now let's discuss finding the right affiliate program. The first step in making money with affiliate marketing is finding the right affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs to choose from, but you need to find one that aligns with your interests and skills. You can search for affiliate programs in your niche by simply typing in your niche plus affiliate programs on Google. Next, let's discuss promoting the product. Once you find the right affiliate program, it's time to promote the product. You can promote the product through various channels such as social media, email marketing, blogging, and YouTube. It's essential to create valuable content around the product to attract potential customers. Remember, promoting the product shouldn't feel like a sales pitch, but rather a recommendation. Then there's the topic of maximize profits. To maximize your profits with affiliate marketing, you need to be strategic. You can create a sales funnel to guide potential customers through the purchasing process. For example, you can offer a free ebook or webinar to attract potential customers, then include the affiliate product in the follow-up email sequence. Additionally, you can track your affiliate sales and optimize your promotion strategies accordingly. Next, let's go over some common mistakes to avoid. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative online business, but there are some common mistakes to avoid. First, you need to disclose your affiliate links to your audience. Secondly, you shouldn't promote products that you haven't used or don't align with your values. Lastly, you need to prioritize building trust with your audience. Remember, building trust takes time, effort, and authenticity. In closing, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money online while sharing products that you genuinely love. Remember to choose the right affiliate program, create valuable content, and prioritize building trust with your audience.